Hey guys, it's getting to be that time of the year soon, and I have a 3D spider for you guys to see how to put together. So incredibly easy and so fun. You can see that if I just stuck it right there, it would be super darling. So let me show you how to put this guy together. Okay, you guys, this is such a simple project to put together, but so effective, especially if you make multiples of them and have them all over your house. So this was released this week. It's just this really nice size spider. This can be cut on an 8.5 by 11-inch sheet. And then you should get 3 circles, and they have a dotted line in between, so they're very easy to fold like this. Okay, so you are simply going to glue the back of the spider to make him 3D like this. And I know it's a little hard to see because it's black paper. So what I'm gonna do is just glue some hot glue on the back of this. Press it into place like that, okay? And then we do that on the other side. Just press and fold. Super easy, right? And glue the back onto this side. Okay, and you can see I haven't glued these 2 pieces together because we're going to glue this piece right into the center of that one. Now my hot glue, it dries really, really fast, like frustratingly fast. So I'm only gonna do one side at a time, which is what I would recommend. I'm sorry guys that it is so dark that you can't see what's going on. But I'm just gonna glue the one side, and I'm gonna get more hot glue. There we go. And then I'm gonna fold this back and glue the opposite side. And if you wanted to make this even more 3D, you could add more of these. Like, I'm just cut out extra of the circle pieces. I just have this many today, and that's okay. The other thing you could do is not glue them together. You could just glue them in the center and just have multiples hanging out there. Now, when you hang this up, you can keep this flat, or you can press down any of these legs if you want to make it even more 3D, and just hang these around your house, which is what I'll be doing probably. This will end up on my mantle. Really cute, right? Okay, make sure and subscribe to my Silhouette VIP group if you are looking for free SVGs. Every single week I send one out. I also send you the link to my new video for new products that are coming out in the Silhouette shop, just so you have an idea of what kind of cool new 3D items are coming out. And you can join that for free by clicking on the description or on my profile link, or going to karinagardner.com and clicking on exclusive VIP. Okay, see you guys.